PBS Kids opens worlds of possibilities for all children, thanks to PBS stations and viewers like you.
Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. If you can learn to work and play and get along with each other. You got to listen to your heart, listen to the beat, listen to the rhythm of the street. Open up your eyes, open up your ears, get together and make things better by working together. It's a simple message and it comes from the heart. Oh, believe in yourself, for that's the place to start. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. You can learn to work and play and get along with each other. Hey, what a wonderful kind of day. Hey, what a wonderful kind of day.
Hey, hey, DW. Hey, whoa.
Today, we make the most important food the world has ever known. Who can tell me what this food is?
The potato chip?
Chicken licking chick sticks with cheddarola?
A fancy pastry filled with fruit?
No. The chip is filled with the trans fats. Very unhealthy, mon ami. Better you should eat dirt. Mademoiselle, if you mention the name of this chicken licking in my class again, you will be asked to leave. Monsieur Reed, I will teach you to make the fruit pastry as promised. But you must learn to crawl before you walk. No, today we make bread. Flour, water, yeast, and a little pinch of salt.
I'm never gonna make something for my dad in time for his birthday.
Chef Poufot is a genius. He cannot be rushed.
How do we know he's a genius? We've been in his class for 2 weeks, and I haven't even tasted a cookie.
He's famous. Didn't you ever see Preparing with Poufot?
My dad watched that show. It was canceled when Poufot yelled at the audience for clapping too loudly and ruining his soufflé.
Et voila! We let the dough rise, we bake it, and finally we have this.
Can I taste it?
No, this class is not about this. It is about this. The process, the journey.
So, can I taste this?
Buster's Carpool Catastrophe. Bailey, which is a better title for my cooking show? Crosswire's Classy Kitchen or Muffy Master Chef?
Both are excellent. However, the term master may be a tad presumptuous when one has only ever made a sandwich. There seems to be something wrong with the limo.
Oh, I can't be late. If you're late, Chef Poufot makes you peel onions for the entire class.
Fear not, Miss Muffy. I'm sure you can go with one of the other students.
We've already agreed to drive Arthur this week, but I think we can squeeze in one more. See you in a bit. Muffy's car broke down. Sorry, sweetie. It'll be a little crowded in the back.
Are you kidding? This is gonna be great. I'll get some games and CDs, and we'll pack some snacks. This is gonna be a party on wheels. Welcome to the super cool cooking class carpool. All aboard the Baxtermobile.
The Baxtermobile is 10 minutes late.
Don't worry. We'll get there with time to spare. My mom is the best driver in Elwood City. Okay, so what do we play first? How about I Spy? I spot something, and you have to guess what it is. I spy with my little eye something that begins with the letter T.
Garbage!
Garbage? That's a G. I said T.
No, there's garbage on the floor of this car.
It's not garbage. It's a bag of fruit I brought for the pastry I'm gonna make my dad.
Well, please get it away from my side. I don't want any fruit getting on my shorts.
You'll get food on you anyway. It's a cooking class, remember?
It might just be a class for you, but for me, it's practice for my cooking show.
What's it gonna be called? Ordering in with Muffy Crosswire?
Hey, guys, we're still playing I Spy. The letter was T.
Ah! The smell is making me sick!
Fine. Buster, could you hand me that bag? My fruit!
Oh, does anyone have a more
Does anyone have a napkin?
Okay. How about a little music, Sorry, I forgot. The CD player is broken.
Mrs. Baxter, could you please put the air conditioning on? It's a little hot back here.
It is on, dear.
Why don't you just roll down the window?
I got it!
Tree!
What?
What I spied with my little eye. It was a tree.
Well, you know what I spy? D. Guess what that's for?
Donut?
No, disaster. That's what this carpool is.
Mademoiselle, the bread will not make itself. Knead it. Knead it.
I was trying not to make a mess.
Cooking is messy. Life is messy. You must enjoy the mess. Only sad chefs have clean clothes.
Speaking of appearances, what makeup do you recommend wearing in front of the cameras?
Flour.
Monsieur Puffo, I brought fruit with me. Maybe after class you could help me with that pastry?
Oranges? Grapes? Bananas? No! Puffo cannot work with this material. Bring berries. Fresh ones.
Huh?
Everyone, come!
What? What? I didn't do anything.
Exactly. And the dough, it is rising beautifully. Sometimes the chef must relax and let nature do the cooking. Good work, Monsieur Baxter.
What? I have to ride in that horrible Baxter-mobile again?
I'm afraid the mechanic said it would be at least a week before the limo was fixed.
So, we'll just use a different car. Daddy has tons of them at work.
Your father thought this would be a good opportunity to help the environment by carpooling.
I guess I won't be trying out my host outfit tomorrow. It'd get ruined in that cramped back seat. But as long as I'm stuck with Buster and Arthur, I might as well put them to good use.
Muffy Crosswire, Mr. Chef. Take one.
Master Chef.
So, Muffy, how do you like riding in Buster Baxter's super cool cooking class carpool?
Next question.
Okay, if you were on an island and the only things to eat were worms or beetles, which would it be?
Give me that. That's not the type of question you're supposed to ask. Ask me how I prepare fabulous dishes.
Okay. How does Muffy the Master Chef make fettuccine Alfredo?
Well, first you find an excellent Italian restaurant in your neighborhood, and then...
Hey, speaking of food, the cafe car of the Baxter-mobile is now open. Ta-da!
Eggs? Are you crazy? They can crack open and spill on my berries.
Relax, they're hard-boiled. At least the ones with the H written on them are.
Oh dear, no exit. They've closed our turnoff for road work. Good thing I got this GPS thingy a few days ago.
It's not a Motor Loco L17, is it? Daddy says they're defective.
Turn right here.
Right? What right?
Right here.
There is no right!
This one has an H, and this one doesn't. Huh, this one just has an I. I wonder what that means.
Hang on, I have to pull over and look at a map.
Whoa, whoa!
My
The
berries on my shorts!
You have arrived at your destination.
Now you look like a chef, mademoiselle. These berries are perfect, Monsieur Reed. Too bad they're covered in egg. But you three look like you had fun. That is what matters. Now, if you please, peel the onions.
come on. It's your last cooking class. We don't want to be late again. No games for the carpool?
Why bother? No one will play them. My carpool is a disaster. Let's just get this ride over with.
Be out in a sec. I just have to get something.
No fruit today?
They were out of berries. I guess I'll just get my dad a tie for his birthday.
Hey, kids. Look in the seat pocket. I think there might be something in there for you.
Car bingo! I completely forgot about that game. We used to play it on long car rides. You look at the pictures on the card, and if you see them outside, you mark it off. First one to get them all in a row shouts bingo.
Windmill!
Truck!
Bridge! 49 loaves of bread. You take one out, pass it about. 48 loaves of bread in the oven.
Hey, I think we're actually going to be early this time.
I'm sorry, Arthur. My carpool was a catastrophe, and now it looks like we'll miss our very last class.
That's okay. Hey, look what I bought at the farm stand back there. A tangerine tort. I may not have made it, but my dad sure does love tangerines. And I got us some fresh peaches.
Thanks. That's the best thing I've ever tasted.
Okay, I've decided to scrap my cooking show. Instead, it's going to be Muffy Crosswire, Master Mechanic. I was inspired by your mom. Look at her changing that tire. She's amazing. Even though I lost my bonnet, got egg on my shorts, and had to peel onions for an hour, I think I had more fun getting to the class than being in the class.
Me too.
The Baxter Mobile is up and running. If we hurry, we can probably make the last half hour.
If it's okay with you, Mom, could we just drive around? We still have 48 loaves of bread to get through.
Yeah, and I didn't get a bingo yet.
Okay, I'm calling this segment the Carpool Club Cut Cooking Class. Take one.
The rhythm of the street. It's a simple message, and it comes from the heart. Oh, believe in yourself, for that's the place to start. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. We can learn to work and play, and get along with each other. What a wonderful kind of day. What a wonderful kind of day.